Welcome back to Old Coin Vault, the place where we uncover the real value behind old coins and collectibles. If you've ever wondered whether that old coin sitting in your drawer is worth a fortune, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's dive into today's coin. Today we're talking about the 1965 South Africa 2-cent coin, marked with the words SUID-AFRIKA. This coin was issued during South Africa's early republic years. Here are some quick facts. Made of bronze. Weighs about 4 grams. Around 22 millimeters in diameter. On the front, you'll find the portrait of Jan van Riebeeck, a key historical figure in South Africa. On the back, there's the value 2C, along with a wildebeest design. It's a simple coin, but it carries historical significance. Now let's talk about rarity because that's what really drives value. The total mintage of this coin in 1965 was around 29.8 million pieces. That's right, nearly 30 million coins were produced. And here's the key takeaway. When a coin is produced in such large numbers, it's generally not rare. So right away, this tells us something important about its value. Now let's address the viral claim. You may have seen videos or posts saying this coin is worth $29,887,000. Sounds incredible, but it's actually a misunderstanding. That number doesn't represent the coin's value. It represents how many coins were minted. Somehow, that number got misinterpreted and spread all over the internet as the coin's price. And just like that, a myth was born. So what is the coin actually worth in typical circulated condition? Around 20 to 30 cents. In better condition, maybe uncirculated, it could go up to $1 or $2. That's a huge difference from 29 million, right? So while it's a nice collectible, it's definitely not a life-changing treasure. Now, there are a few situations where this coin could be worth more. For example, if it has a rare mint error, like a double strike or off-center design, or if it's in perfect, uncirculated condition. Coins like that are much harder to find, and collectors will pay more for them. Quick tip if you're collecting coins: never clean your coins. Cleaning can actually lower their value. Store them safely in holders. Keep them dry and protected. And if you think you've got something rare, consider getting it professionally graded. So there you have it. The 1965 South Africa 2-cent coin is not worth $29 million. But it's still a cool piece of history. If you have one of these coins, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Old Coin Vault, and I'll see you in the next video.